It's been nearly a year in the making of this new station. Oh, fence. Wonder if they've done away with the ticket office and you've got to buy the train ticket on the thing, or we're into the new train station. It's the first time, so I'll give you a wee look at this. New train into Glasgow to go and pick up the motorcycle. That's it, had its warranty repair. This is all new here. New fencing, it's electrified now. I hope I'm not caught in here. Oh, there's an exit. You see me moving these things and getting out. I'm not walking all the way back again. That's alright, I made a path.
This train will call at Deermire, Farfield, Clarkston, Infinite, Thornley Bank, Pollokshaws West, Crossmaloop,
Suppose it's better than walking.
Glasgow Central.
It's the front of the Commer dealer, all the way around. That would have been commercial vehicles. Commer PB vans, Hillman Huskies, Commer Cobs. I don't know when it closed. This is a bike back. That's what it looks like without the planners. Okay, slingshot engage.
This train will call at Deermire, Farfield, Clarkston, Infinite, Thornley Bank, Pollokshaws West, Crossmaloop,
Suppose it's better than walking.
Glasgow Central.